Hello and welcome again to another episode of Rescoli by Carlo, obviously on our YouTube channel, which is Rescoli by Carlo. So, what are we going to do today? Today is going to be a completely different episode because we need your help. At the beginning of this episode, you've seen a piece of furniture which is just right behind me, and basically we need your help to decide what are we going to do with it. Basically, it's a liqueur cabinet. Nowadays it's considered as a gin cabinet. So basically, here it is. I'll be showing you what we did so far. If you noticed, there was a little bit of well, not a bit, there was a mirror just behind this, behind this decoupage paper. Here we had this, here it was a mirror. We sanded it down because we couldn't remove it, we couldn't break it down. It's harder than a stone. So what we did, we sanded it and we painted it in black. And here there was some light which was old and didn't look really in place. So we basically decided to remove everything, to stock up here and to paint. Now, what's our issue? Basically, our issue is, what are we going to do with it? We didn't want it to look too much masculine or too much feminine. So we tried to find a way in between, but we're not convinced. At the end of this video, you'll see how we removed the wood. Here there was veneer, it was covered with veneer here and up here, and we found that the wood was really nice, so we decided to leave it in wood, so that's confirmed. And then we wanted to do this decoupage here, this paper here, and in the inside. What happened was this paper is no longer available, so either we do this upper part with it and then we decide what to do with the rest. So now I am going to show you the piece as it is, and then we will ask you to give your suggestions below this video. Another reminder, please subscribe. 75% of viewers we have on our channel are not subscribed, so please, we would love you to push that subscribe button and the bell if you want to, okay? And that way you will see our videos when they come, usually on Sundays, but during the week we have other videos that we love to share, especially crafty ones or children's videos if you have kids at home, and these will help you. So remember, subscribe, push the bell button, and comment underneath this video with your suggestions and your recommendations on how we are going to do this piece of furniture. Thank you. So, as we have already mentioned, this upper part here, we removed the veneer and we discovered this nice wood which we will be covering with the browning wax. We love the shape here and also the shape here. So we're leaving these in wood. We'll continue sanding so that the wood grain comes out, and then we cover with browning wax. The inside, as we have already told you, this was a mirror, and we covered in blackjack, and now we're doing this decoupage. If you think it goes, we leave it. If not, please comment and tell us what to do. So this would be the shape of it, and the rest we decided we would go for black here and here on the frame of the glass. We're leaving the doors in this wood, a good clean and some browning wax to give definition, and then we're painting the rest in black. Well, if you don't like black, please tell us what color would you prefer our gin cabinet to be done. Now, the inside we were thinking of doing it in black and putting some decoupage, but as I told you, this decoupage is no longer available. Now, the middle part is where the glass storage is. So here we have the bottles, and we can put some glasses as well instead of the bottles. But this was all covered in small pieces of mirror, and we decided to remove it because it looked quite dated. And so far we did one coat of blackjack. We left some of these rough, actually it was like a piece of cloth here where the mirrors were stuck to, but we decided to leave this because probably we'll go with some gold on these designs here. But again, we're not sure if this project would be a good one, so we're asking for your opinion on what you think this piece of furniture might look like, with your suggestions and comments within under this video. Please, we need your help. So basically this is the piece. I'm going a little bit back so that you can see it all. And this is the stage that it's in right now. With your suggestions and your comments, both in Maltese, English, Italian, or any other language we can understand, and we'll take your observations on board. Thank you once again for following our YouTube channel Rescoli by Carlo. We look forward to your comments, suggestions, colors, anything that you think that our gin cabinet might look awesome. So please make sure that you give us your suggestions and we'll follow through. In another episode, we'll show you what we did and how far this piece of furniture has gone. So far, ta-ta! Hawnhekk kif qed taraw il-fuljetta nieħħejta diġà, imma hawn ċertu grif u qataw il-kollha li kellha l-fuljetta mqabbda magħha. Kif nistgħu nagħmluha lixxa? Mela, sandpaper u dan hawnhekk jiġi nagħmlilkom dil-biċċa ħa taraw id-differenza. B'dan il-mod bdiet toħroġ il-vina tal-injam u telqet ukoll il-kollha li hawn fuq. B'dal-mod ikunu nistgħu nħallu l-injama kif inhi, flok nisbgħuha nistgħu intuha pereżempju l-browning wax, f'dal każ hekk ħankun qed nagħmel.